How to force restart or hard reset iPhone X. This has turned from an easy gesture to a bit of an orchestrated dance. You need to press two buttons in quick succession, and then hold another button. We'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Press volume up. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Step 2. Press volume down. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Step 3. Press and hold side button. Press and hold the side button, sleep or wake button, till you see the Apple logo. Try resetting settings and then the phone. If force restarting doesn't solve your issues, you'll need to reset all settings. At the last resort is, of course, resetting your whole device. After taking an iTunes backup, to do this, go to Settings, General, Restart. What do you think of the all-new iPhone X? What's your experience been like? Share with us. Thanks for watching our videos. What kind of videos would you